Greetings, our dear viewers. Thank you so much. This is your ICT facilitator, ICT tutor, Mutebi Iratib. Today we are going to be looking at ICT, the annual workshop item 2, which was projected onto 30th November 2025 at the National ICT Innovation Hub, Nakawa. And we are to use Wordpress on this project. They are telling us that we are to see how a student would have attempted such an item if at all we are to use WordPress to do the same task. So let's go straight to the item and then we start checking it down as we understand more on this ICT new curriculum. Remember, those who want to join my WhatsApp group, I have put the link in the video description. Please go check it up and then follow up with me, do the task with me to see that we can keep sharing ideas. And then those who want to use the support material that I've used in this video, please, I have put the link in the video description. Go download and then work it out with me as we keep checking and understanding each and every single aspect together. So let's go and understand the item, then we start checking it downwards as we understand each and every item together. Let's go. This is your ICT facilitator, Mutebi Iratib. So I've provided a video. on how to install WordPress, on how to install XAMPP, because those are key softwares that we are going to be using today. So those who want to download, those who want to install, please go check onto my YouTube channel and then install XAMPP and see how we really install WordPress for the simpler foundation for you to follow up with me properly onto this. So now this is our item at hand. They are telling us that our website question is over here. I want us to understand each and every line together and then we start checking the other aspects together. So remember, this is your ICT tutor. They're telling us that Amina Fresh Foods Produce is a fast-growing agro business in Kayunga town that supplies fruits and vegetables to customers from different parts of the country. The center currently advertises new stock, seasonal offers, and daily prices using posters, banners, and occasional radio announcements. While these methods have supported business growth, the management feels they are no longer enough for the expanding customer base. So now, what do they want? Many customers are unable to access timely price updates. Farmers frequently request information on the proper farming practices, and suppliers want a direct way to make inquiries and receive feedback. To address these challenges, the administration wishes to take its communication to another level by using ICTs to interact more effectively with the public. They intend to develop an online platform that will showcase all about the produce center with staff information, good, fresh stock gallery, nice, a farmer support tips and price updates, and an active queries page for customer feedback. So these are key statements. As we draft the pages, as you come up with your appropriate ideal pages, these are key elements that we are going to be focusing on. Our website should showcase the following. 1, we want to see staff information. 2, fresh stock gallery. 3, farmer support tips and price updates, and an active queries page for customer feedback. So now, after looking at all this, these will be guiding principles as you go on to decide which pages we are to put onto this website. So they're telling us that the task at hand here, help the management achieve this goal by designing an online platform. A support folder called Fresh Produce has been provided to guide your work. People following, I have put everything I'm going to be using in this video in the video description. Please go check it up, click onto the link, download and follow up together. So now we have our support files over here, which we are going to be using. We have some nice images They are over here. We are going to be checking them together. And then we have, I have put a folder in the video description link for you to access the softwares that we are going to be using. One, we are going to use XAMPP. Two, we are going to use WordPress. We are going to use the Astra plugin, and then we are the theme, and then we are going to also use the contacts, and then the Simply Static plugin as we go about with this project. Let's go and see what the candidate was supposed to do. So I will come over here, right click in space, go to option new, create a folder with your full name and personal number. My name is Mutebi Ratib 00, let me say 014. That is my number in this item. So now I will come in this folder, I right click in space, go to option in new, and then say folder. The first folder for students doing new curriculum, ICT paper 2, O level, they should create two subfolders. The first subfolder is for item 1, nice, and then the second subfolder is for item 2. So I will come over here and say this is item 2. But in this session, I'm going to be focusing on this item 2 folder today as we see what to do. So now, after making sure that I have my folder on board, I will start checking each and every element. One, I will go on and turn on my XAMPP. Come over here, search your XAMPP. Those who don't know how to install, I have put a video, I've uploaded a video on my YouTube channel. Go check it up and then download, install the program, and then we go through together. For now, let's run it. Come and click open. When I click the open option, I will come over here and start my Apache. I'm going to be using Apache. I will also go on and start my SQL, which is over here. Come and start my SQL over here. It is starting in a few seconds. Let me first fix this error in a few seconds. So I will come over here, I start my SQL, click the start option again, and then see whether we can get everything set. Over here, start. Okay, so after starting your SQL over here, let me first terminate these options again. I want to load my XAMPP again to see that we can get all options right. So come back here, access your XAMPP, click the XAMPP control panel, and then click open. When you click open, here we go. I will come, start Apache, click onto Apache. Then I will also go on and I start my SQL server, click onto this button, and then we start checking each and every single step together. So here we go. Apache is running, MySQL is also running. So I will come and we go step by step together. After doing that, I will go back onto my files here where I have put the WordPress setup. I will come onto my softwares. Remember, I've put everything here in the video description for you to check. So I will come pick or copy this zipped folder for WordPress. After copying, I go onto my local disk C where I installed my XAMPP. In here, I go access my htdocs and then paste your XAMPP there. Ctrl V to paste, or come and use this option that has been attached over here for you. Now, after doing that, come over here and then right click onto the zipped folder, go to show more options, and then say extract here. When I click the extract here button, in a few seconds, the extraction will be ready and everything will be set for us to start operating in a few seconds. Thank you for watching. Thank you for subscribing. Here we go. This is the WordPress now that has been extracted. Come onto it, right click, and then rename. Give it a name of the project. For now, let's keep it simple and we are going to name it as Amina. Let's give it Amina. So after giving it Amina as the folder name, come and check that there is no, okay, things are set. This is the main folder that we want to see. It is called Amina. So get back to your XAMPP over here, or you can access any browser of your choice. Come and click in here, say localhost PHP my admin, hit the enter button over there so that we can access the PHP control panel, and then we start navigating together. So our window for PHPMyAdmin is over here for us to continue running through. Now you come or you access your database program over here. You come and give it a name. I'm going to name my database as Amina, which is my project name, to keep it simple for me to remember. Then after checking this, it is Amina. Come and hit the create button. When I hit the create button, database has been successfully created. Now after getting it ready, come over here, access another tab, and then say localhost. Localhost over here. Then I want to access my project, which is Amina, and then hit the enter button over there. I want to see whether things are running out on your side. Please don't forget to pause, rewind, play as we run through together. So we are set and ready to go. They are telling us that welcome to WordPress. Before getting started, you will need to know the following items. So we need to focus more on database name, database username, the password, etc. So I'll come over here and say, let's go. Let's go. So over here, I will say database name. I will put Amina to keep it simple. Then the username again here. Please keep this in mind. The default username that you have to use at this page is root. That's the default one. Password, let's keep a 0 there without a password. Then come and say submit. Hit the submit button. They're telling us all right. So run the installation. I'll click the run the installation button over here, and then we are set. Site name, come over here. We are to keep it at Amina. Username, keep Amina. Keep it simple. Come here. Password, for simplicity, let's keep Amina. Nice. Come and say confirm use of weak passwords. Then the email is amina@gmail.com. After keeping it there, come and say here install WordPress. Hit the button and we start running through. WordPress is being installed. Please, thank you for subscribing, thank you for commenting, thank you for pushing harder as we keep learning from one another. Okay, we are set. They're telling us that success. The candidates doing exams this year, I wish you success. Please hit high, roll out, get A's, keep shining over there. So they're telling us that success, WordPress has been installed. Thank you and enjoy. Let's enjoy. Come over here, click login. When I hit the login button, they will prompt me to put the username. And my username, we said we are to keep it simple, is Amina. And then the password is also Amina. If you want to be remembered every time you come to access this window, hit the remember me button over there and then hit login. Hit the login button and then we start designing. So what will be popping up in a few seconds from now is the welcome to WordPress dashboard. This is what we have at stake. So when you reach here as the candidate yearning to get an A in ICT new curriculum, what are you supposed to? When you reach here, I will go access my posts, hover your cursor on posts, go to all posts over here, and then first delete the dummies. I will come access or check all of them, access the bulk actions window, and then say move to trash, click apply. When I click apply, all my posts will be deleted. After doing that, go to all pages, hover your cursor on all pages, come to all pages window, and then check all of them, and then move to trash onto the bulk actions, hit over here, and then say apply. Nice. So when I hit the apply button, let's see what we are having on our website currently. I'll come over here, I say localhost. If you want to see how the design is taking shape, I'll come and access my website over here. I say localhost/Amina, which is the project name. Hit the enter button over there. As it is loading, let's see. Oh, this is what we have. That is sorry, but nothing was found. Please try a search with different keywords. Okay, it's all right. That's what we have because we haven't designed anything there. Okay, so now I will come after doing a few customization, after deleting things that I don't want. I will come and start making the design take shape. Now, when you reach here, the candidate is supposed to first install a theme. Come to appearance, click on theme. We want to install a theme. Nice. I will go, I say add theme. Remember, I've put the theme that I'm going to be using in this video in the video description. Click over there, choose file. I access my file manager, go to desktop. The project is called Amina project. where I've put my softwares. I want to take Astra as my theme. Click open. When I click open, Astra is over there, install now. When I click the install now button, things run through and then installation is taking place, unpacking the package. Now I'll just come and activate, click the activate button. Okay, now after activating, I'll go and then install the plugins because we need to install the Simply Static plugin. Remember, that plugin is used every time you want to download the pages. So I'll come and say, I'll scroll, go to plugins over here. I say add plugin. When I hit the add plugin button, I will now move on and say upload plugin. Yes, sir, I want to upload the Simply Static plugin, which is used every time you want to download your pages over here. So I will come and say choose file, file manager, go to Simply Static, click open, and then install now. Okay, after that, I will activate my plugin, activate plugin, and then we are good to go. We have one more plugin left, which is the contact form 7. That plugin is used when you're composing, designing, inserting your contact form, which will be used by clients to reach out. They have a query, they have a question, let them pop into the contact form and then drop in their window. Add plugin. Nice, add plugin, say upload plugin. It is rolling over, say choose from file. I want to take the contact form 7, open, and then install now. So after installing, now it's incumbent upon us to go and activate this plugin, free to be active for us to start using as we design our website for Amina. Nice, I can close this AI builder. Since I'm working offline, I have to close it and then I run through. Now, before I leave this window, go back over media and then we put the support material. This is something that the candidate should appreciate. Go to media, go to library, so that you put all your files, all the support files in the media library for easy access. So I'll come over here, I say add media, and then they tell me drop files to upload. I'll go and say select files and then access my support file. Remember, I've put the support files in the video description for you to also access. Control A, highlight all the images because we need all of them, and then say open. When I click open, my images are loading, they're taking shape, so they are being plugged, they are being inserted into my project window. So every time I want to install, I want to insert an image, it will be very, very easy for me to go check, play, click, play, as you also rewind, play, pause, as we learn from one another. So my images are loading. In a few seconds, we shall be good to go. Okay, remember we are attending to ICT New Curriculum Item 2, the annual workshop item 2 question, which is over here, ICT annual workshop, which was on 30th November 2025. So here we go. How far with the media library? Things are set and good to go. Now, after getting that in shape, I'll come and refresh. Go to dashboard, refresh a bit, so that at least the changes are being inserted and being effected over there. So now, after doing that, let's go and create the pages. The pages, we are going to be composing them together. Let's go to pages. Where? So I want to go to pages over here. Go to add page, right click, say open link in a new tab, right click again, open link in a new tab, right click again, open link in a new tab. How many pages are those? How many pages are those? We want, this is 1, 2, 3. I want 4 pages. Go back, right click, and then say open link in a new tab. Okay, now after that, I'll get back to add page. They're still loading. Add page. So, okay, the first page is ready for us to start checking through. So I'll come over here and say my first page will be the home tab. By default, keep it home, and then come check this I to keep this wording so that it doesn't show on the normal page when we start refreshing and running onto the normal site. So check this I and then say publish. Publish is like saving. So go back, create another page. This page will be, this is stock gallery. We are going to call it stock gallery. Over here, check the I and then say publish, publisher. So go on to another page. This page, we are going to call it, let's save it as maybe farmer updates. Yes, farmer updates. We want to be giving farmers updates on our website. Check the I and then say publish. So after publishing that, one more page, and this page is contact us. Those who want to reach out with some questions, please contact us. Don't forget, reach out. And those with questions, please contact me. My number is 0784 84657421. That is my number. Please check it up and we keep sharing. You have a question, you have an idea, please share with me or join my WhatsApp group. The link is in the video description. So now after getting this in shape, I'll come and say contact us, publish. So my pages are in shape and everything has been inserted for us to start using them. Now after creating my pages, I'll go back to dashboard, refresh a bit. After refreshing, we are now going to go and create a menu. So go to appearance over here, go access menus. Yes, sir. Click menus. And then after clicking on menu, we are going to create a menu where we're going to put all these pages for easy access. Give this menu a name. We are going to call it main. After calling it main, come and check and say we are going to name it to be our primary menu and then say create menu. So after checking the create menu button, I will come and then organize my pages in a good structure. Home page should come first. Click onto it. Click add to menu. It will surface over here, home over there. After home, I want stock gallery, add to menu, and then after being added, farmer update, add to menu, and then after that, my last page is contact, add to menu. So after adding all my pages to menu, I'll come and make sure that everything is in shape, save a menu. After saving the changes, I'll come and refresh the window to see that each and every single element is in good shape for us to start running through. Now, before we start now the actual structure, let's do some few settings. So scroll to the settings button over here. When you reach here, go to readings option, click onto readings. When you check on readings, why are we this side? We want to make the home page to be the static, to be the first page every time someone accesses our website. So come over here and click on home. And then after that, come and save that change. After saving that change, that is very nice. Come access the dashboard window to refresh your pages, and then after that come back to settings. Over here, come back settings, go to permalinks, check the button, check to permalinks, and then we are here to make this button active. Why? We want our pages to be in good shape. If every time someone is downloading, is making sure that the pages are being downloaded, everything is in good order. So come over here and say save changes. Save changes. Yes, sir. We are done saving changes. I will come over here and refresh the page a bit to see that things are in shape and ready to go. Now, let's go back and customize the header, footer, and then we start the design in a few seconds. We shall be good to go. Come to appearance again, and then go to customize over here. Go to customize, and then we see what we are supposed to achieve at the end of it all. Come to customize. It is loading in a few seconds. Here we go. Let me first check on the changes, refresh, and see what we have on our website. When we check on our website so far, we have the home, stock gallery, farmer update, contact. Oh, this is what we have. Very boring, but don't worry. We are going to make it shine. So come over here, and then we first work on the header. So one, I will first come, check the inner pencil. I want to give my project a catching name. So I'll come here, site title. We are going to name it as, let's give it a name. Let's say Amina. Amina what? Amina Fresh Produce. Amina Fresh Produce Store. Amina Fresh Produce Store. That will be our name. Nice. After putting the name there, what else can we add? I can also say on this, I can also put a logo. I'll come, I say select logo. Remember, I have everything in the library. That's why you can see everything is scrolling in here for me to just access and continue. So I'm going to take this to be my logo. Click onto it. Click select button. Say skip cropping. When you get it here, then just come and then you can resize on the width to see that the logo is not too big. Maybe around there. Yes, 75. Okay, around there. So when you get it at that point, I'll just come and say now, what else can we put? I'll check the design. On the design, what else can we put that will catch, and give us more scores? So I'll come and say, yes, let's keep it at that, publish. I'm keeping it at that. I click the publish button, and then after getting it at that point, I'll come and then say, let me check the outer pencil. The outer pencil, I check the design tab, come to background color. I want to put gradient to make my site look amazing. Over here, that will be very, very eye-catching. So after getting it at that, I'll also come and publish. Then what else should I put? Let me maybe put the background color. Let me say the bottom border over here. The bottom border, come over here. Let's keep that maybe this color and over that. And then I will also increase on the size if at all you want. Yes, sir. So I'll come and publish. Now after getting it at that level, what else can we put? After publishing, let me check on the site to see how the site looks like as we take shape. Yes, this is what we have so far, and at least it is something that is really, really eye blending as skyrocketing. So come back to customize. Let's check our footer. Under the footer section here, I want to check the inner pencil. Check the inner pencil. We want to put some info. Remember, I have put this support document that we are going to be using in this video in the video link down there. Please go check it up, and then we start working together. I want to use this info to be my footer. Come over here. I want to replace this dummy with this footer info over there. Yes, sir, it is getting shape. Now I'll check the outer pencil over here. I want to put some background, say background color over here. I want to take gradient, come and check any, and then use any that you think will blend more and more on your side. So now after, I'll move on to publish. And then after publishing, I can also come over here under border color. I also choose any color. I also go on to publish. Okay, top border size, I can also increase it a bit. Nice, this is too big. Let me keep it at around 5. Is 5 too big or 3? Yes, sir. So after getting this in shape, I'll come and hit the publish button, and then we start rocking together. I'm done customizing my header. I'm done customizing my footer. Now it's high time we start composing the other elements as we navigate together. Refresh the window by checking the dashboard, then come back to your site, refresh and see what we are getting. Yes, this is our structure, header there, footer there. Now we are ready to go. I'll go start on the home page, design it, stocks gallery, farmer updates, contact us. I design all these pages from scratch. Let's go to the home page. On the home page, I'm going to start with a simple cover. Come over here, come to the add block button over here, click onto it. I want to start with a column. Column over here, one column. I want to start with one column, and in this, I want to put a paragraph, hit and then say add paragraph. Then they'll give us an option where to put the paragraph. Come check my support document so that we can copy together and paste to catch up with the time. So I want to start up with this info. Yes, sir. I want to start up with this info, this welcome message. Yes, I'll come over there. I then get back to my website. I put the cursor here. I paste. After pasting, this is my site. I can align this center. Can also align this center to have it in shape. Then this welcome message, I can go on and make it a little bit bolder. Is this large? Do we take it at large? Yes, we can keep it at large. And then after that, I will also go on and then maybe keep this at around medium. Nice. So after, I want to put a button over here. I want to put a button for those that want to check more in the same column. Come and say, I want to put a button. So I'll come check my add block button. I say here, I want to add a button, B-U-T-T. Button will come, and then this button, I want to say, maybe learn more. For those who want to reach for more info, I will say learn more. And then I will go on to say align this button center or justify items center, keep it there, come back to my my block. Yes, make sure that you click onto it, click onto the block. Okay, click onto the block. Over here, I want to give it some background. Come to background. I want to take this to be my background. Then after putting it at that, I'll continue. Come over here. I want to add another block. This block of 2 columns. Yes, click and then say I want columns 2 by 2, 50 by 50. Come in this first one. I want to put some content. Click on paragraph. Then get back to your support material, which is over here. I say I want to put some about us info. Control C, copy that info, and then come and paste it over there. Then after pasting, I can keep this heading. I come over here, I make it bold, and then I can align it center. I align it center. Then after that, I can also go on to add more info. Get back to my support document. I want to copy what we do. I highlight, Control C, come to my document, Control V. I put it over there. Then in this other column, I want to put an image. Click the add block button. Then say I want to put an image. Hit the image button. Say media library, and then access it from over here. Let's put this catching audience. Yes, sir. Let's click onto it. Click select. Yes. Let's keep it original, and then we keep it at that. Please don't forget to keep saving. Keep saving changes. Yes, I'm saving changes over here as we make the site take shape. Come back to your site, check and see what we have so far. Is the home page changing? Yes, look at what we have and how things are really changing. So I'll come back over here. I get back to my project. I'm going back to the home page. This is my home page. I say maybe I want to insert another image in this space. Click on this add block button. I say I want to add an image. Click onto image, media library. Let's take something like this. Yes, let's click select, and then we'll put it here. Maybe let's keep its aspect ratio to be wide. And then after getting that in shape, I'll come and save changes. So after saving changes, I'll come and continue with the other elements. Let me put a paragraph here. Come over here and then say paragraph. And here we are going to say key. We are going to say key players at Amina fresh. Let's say Amina fresh produce center. Fresh produce center. Amina fresh produce center. After keeping it here, I will bold it, and then I can go on to align it center. And then after aligning it center, I can give it some text color. Let me give it that. And then after, I can go on and then insert our key players. Who are the players that we have at Amina? Click onto this add block button. I want to take around 3 columns. Come to columns. I want to take 3 by 3. Over here, I say in the first place over here, in the first cell, I want to put the first player, who's Amina. So I will come over here, add image, media library. I want to add Amina here. I say, where is my Amina? Yes, sir. Amina is over here. Click onto this button, and then I can also go on to add caption. Click and say after. We are going to keep it at unit standard. Yes. After keeping that standard, come add a caption. They will give us text. Come back to our support document we are using, and then we want to pick this information over here. For Amina, Control C. Let me copy. Come over here, Control V. This is my Amina that is giving us to be the managing director. Come back to this other cell. Click on the add block button, add image, media library. Here, I'm going to put another key player. Who is this one? Let me keep it at that. Click select, and then come to aspect ratio, keep standard, come to add caption. After getting it at that, go back to our support document. Remember, in the exam, you have to compose all this content from your head. You will not be having where to copy and paste unless it has been provided in the support material. So I will come paste over here, our operations manager, come to the last cell, click over here, click image, media library. We want to put another image. and this is none other than this candidate of ours. Click select, aspect ratio, keep standard, come here, say add caption, come to my support document for those that downloaded, and then copy, Control C, get back here, and then Control V. After putting it at that, I will continue. I want to add more images since I have more members. I will come, I want to click onto this cell. So you click in space there till when you access this border. Come and say add. I want to add another image. Click image, media library. I want to insert another key player, this gentleman. Click select, and then come over here, aspect ratio, keep standard, come to add caption, get back to my support document. Over here, this is Mugisha Andrew, Control C, come here, and then paste, Control V, get back here, and then after break, then get back to this other cell, also add image. I want to add another content, get back to media library, insert this, click select, aspect ratio, keep standard, and then we are going to keep it standard. Yes, then get back. What is the name we are giving this content? Is Sarah Nanyanzi. Control C, get back here, and then Control V, come, break a bit. Yes, sir. One more content, click over here, and then say image, media library. Yes, here we are going to insert this, candidate. Click select, then come under standard, keep it standard, come to add caption, say the name for this candidate, come over here, under my support document is Anne Grace. Control C, come here, and then we paste her initials over there. So now, thank you for subscribing, thank you for following. This is your ICT facilitator, ICT tutor, taking you through this simple ICT annual item, which we had on November 25th at the ICT Innovation Hub. So after getting this in shape, I will also continue. I say, let me add another block, and this block is one paragraph. Let me take it into a column, click column, then come here, one column, come onto the plus, say paragraph, then come access my window. I want to take a catching statement, which is maybe over here. It is getting late, so I will come access it. I say, let me copy this info, Control C, come and paste it in this block. Yes, after putting it here, I can go on to align this center, and then I can also make it a little bit large for visibility. Come access this window. Let me put a style. Go back here, border, gradient. Let's give it a catching style over that to see that at least we have a site that is really, really eye-catching, and it will earn us some good marks. Now, before we leave, let me also align this heading center, and then I want to give it a catching color. Yes, over there. Nice. Even this, I can also go on to give it text color to see that at least we blend very well with creativity as the item evaluators give us our marks. Save changes to see that we seal off this item. Get back to our dummy, refresh, see what we have on board. Yes, this is our website. This is how it looks like. We have our personnel, we have about us, what we do, a few catching images over there. Now, thank you for sharing, thank you for subscribing. Let's insert maybe a Makui up here so that at least we have some text that is really, really eye-catching. So get back over here and then come and say access the options sector here, and then say code editor. Under code editor, I want to insert a Makui on top here. So I'll come open the tag. I say Makui. What will be our Makui? We have some catching statements in the support document. Our Makui will be your trusted center. Yes, sir. Come, Control C, your trusted source. Put your statement over there. Come, close the Makui. Put this / and then say Makui. After, come, exit code editor. Then you'll see our Makui rolling. Save changes. Yes, we are done with our home page. Now let's rock in onto another page. Come, close this so that it doesn't confuse us. Now let's go to this other page as we shine together. Thank you for subscribing. Thank you for following. This is your ICT personnel, ICT tutor. Let's go on the About Us, on the Stock Gallery page. We are going to start with a catching statement. Let's get back here to our dummy, to our blueprint, which we are using. Let's start with a MAQUI. Our MAQUI is check our gallery for seasonal orders. Come, let me copy. I start with a MAQUI, get back to my window, access the code editor, come over here, say code editor, come and give me the tag. The tag is MAQUI. Yes, this is MAQUI. Over here, I will say MAQUI, come and then paste. After, come and say MAQUI, close, and then after that, I will come exit code editor and then save changes. You will see that the code will start checking over here. Now, after I will come back, access my block. I say I want to insert a paragraph. I click on paragraph. I want to put a paragraph here. Get back here to my support document. I want to say, for those who want to get fresh products, I want to give them an eye-catching statement, which is maybe fresh. Let me first copy this. I say, okay, I want to put this catching statement. I come over here. I say fresh. I want to say fresh stock gallery for Amina produce. Yes, fresh stock gallery for Amina produce. I can go on to give it some color. Let me give it that. Come here, align center. After aligning center, I want to give it this color, align center. Okay, let me bold, color, paragraph. I want to give it that. Okay, now after I'll come put some text over here. Yes, for those that want to reach out. After putting it there, I will also continue. I break. I want to put a column here. So I'll go back. I say add block. I put column. I go to columns. Let me take 3 by 3. Click onto it. Then come and start inserting in some catching images for people to check our gallery. And then I'll come over here. I say I want to insert an image. Come under image. I go to media library. I put some images over there. Let me start with this. Select. Keep it at standard for easy units to be measured. Then after, I'll come over here. I say add caption. I move here. I want to add some caption. Get back here. I say these are fresh tomatoes. Click. Ctrl C. I want to just paste for time management. Then I will move on to this. Click over here. Add image. Media library. I want to add other images. Let me take this. Click select. Then go to aspect ratio. Keep standard. Come over here. Want to add some captions. Get back to our support document. Over here. Ctrl C. The banana. Come and then say Ctrl V. Move to this. And then say add block. Go to image. Here I want to put some pineapple. Come over here. Check the images. Where? Here we go. Click select. Aspect ratio. Keep standard. Come over here. Add caption. Get back to my support document. Don't forget to pause, play, and as we move together. Come over here and then paste. After pasting, I want to add more images. Okay, I want to add more images. So I will come access this window. Click till when you access it. And then say add block. On this block, I want to put a green paper. Come, say image, media library. Where? Here we go, green paper. Select, then say aspect ratio, standard. Come here, add caption. Under caption, I'm going to come back here to my file. I say under green paper, Ctrl C. Come back here, Ctrl V. Get back to this, add block, image. Here, let's put maybe eggplants. Media library, and then I'll come, I say I need eggplants here, click onto that, select aspect ratio, standard, and then here I want to give a caption, get back to your support document where we had put everything we are using, Ctrl C, come back here, Ctrl V, get back here, add block, image, media library, let's put maybe some onions, click onto this button, then after, aspect ratio, standard, add caption, get back to the support document, let's pick the onions over here, Ctrl C, get back, and then Ctrl V. Let's add more images to make the page very, very attractive. So I'll come, add block, I say add image, and here we are going to put maybe some passion fruits. Go to media library, and then say where the passion fruits over here, click select, say I want to add caption, come over here, say add caption, then get back the support document where passion fruits, here we go, Ctrl C, get back here, and then Ctrl V. Get back to this, add block, I want to set another media, this will be carrots, go to media library, access the carrots, click onto that, click onto this, aspect ratio, standard. Come back to the document, I want to put a caption, I will highlight, Ctrl C, come back here, I say add caption, I Ctrl V. One more, standard, is this standard? Yes, I will move to this, add block, I say add image, media library, let's add one more, and then we get this done and dusted. Click on avocado, click on select, come on aspect ratio, keep it standard, and then come and say add caption. On caption, I'll get back here so that I can save time. Just come copy this, Ctrl C, and then Ctrl V to paste. So after doing all that, this is our gallery. You can add more skills, you can blend more, you can give more designs to make the design really, really eye-catching. So after taking this, I'll come and then hit the enter, the save button to save changes. Yes, we are saving changes in a few seconds. We are saving changes. Yes, we are done. I'll come back here, refresh my site to see how changes are being applied. My home page is over there, eye-catching. Stock gallery is also loading. Yes, this is our stock, very, very attractive. Now let's go to farmer updates and we also make it blend more. So I'll come back here. I can also go on, I have my McQueen. I can go on and close this window. Now on this, I will also start with a McQueen. On the farmers updates, I'm going to start with a McQueen to see that we can get everything in shape and we see that at least we shine together. So I will come, I say under this, I want to start with a McQueen. So I'll click over here, access the code editor, come to code editor button, then open the tab. Over here, I will say McQueen. What will be our McQueen statement? Remember, we have a support document which we want to be using. This McQueen statement on page 3 will be farmer support. Ctrl C, copy, then come and put it here. In the exam, you have to think, you have to be the one to blend all this content unless you have been provided with the info in the support material. So I'll come over here and then exit code editor and then save changes. So as the changes are being affected, we are going to start with inserting a catching statement, which will be a paragraph. Over here, I want to say farmer what? Farmer support tips, and weekly updates, So I'll come over here. I want to bold, come over here, align center, bold, give it some catching color over there. Yes, and then I also want to make it a bit be in the center with some bigger font. So after that, I want to also go on, add some columns, come under add block. I want to add 2 columns. I say 50 by 50. In the first column, I want to put farmer support. Click onto this, put a paragraph, and then get back to my support document. Where do we put farmer support? It's over here. I'll come, highlight, yes, Ctrl C, and then I paste. Let me paste it over here. Yes, so after pasting, I can also go on to align this center. After aligning its center, I can also give it a different font to make it really, really eye-catching. So after taking that, I want to insert an image. Click there, go to Image, Media Library. I want to put some catching image. Let me take this, say select, under aspect ratio. Let's maybe keep it original. And then after that, we can save changes. After saving changes, here we go. Thank you for watching. Thank you for subscribing. This is your ICT tutor. Get back here. I want to see what we have inserted so far to give me direction on what I should really blend as I navigate through to make more adjustments. Get back to this page. I want to insert maybe weekly updates. I'll come here and say weekly price updates. Why are I putting all this? Because it is part of the question. People checking on the site, they have to be able to see these weekly updates as we manage them, as we upload them onto the site. These will be key marking points if you want to get an A in this exam. So I'll come over here. I can maybe, let me add one more image here. I can go back to Image, Media Library. I want to add one more image to see whether we can really blend more. Let me click onto this. I say, let me keep it maybe wide. Nice. Then I want to save changes. I want to save changes to see that at least we don't have ambiguous spaces within our design. Let me refresh. Let me refresh to see what we have. Yes, at least we have something like this. Nice. So now I'll get back and continue. Get back here. Under farmer updates, we can say, let me apply maybe a table. Let me apply a table to be my block. Come over here. Under block, I want to access a table. Search by typing in a keyword table. Click onto the table. They will ask you, how many columns and rows do you want? I say maybe under columns, let me take 3. And then maybe under rows, let me take around 7. Yes, let me take around 7. Around 7, then I hit the create button. Then after, I'll come and put a few headings. I say in the first cell here, we need to have the produce. Then you can hit the navigation key to keep moving. Here we shall need price. We shall need price stroke bunch. Yes. Then here we shall need notes. We shall need notes as we navigate through. So now I'll come over here. I'll come over here. I continue. I say, okay, I start putting in some info to make sure that we get everything in shape. Under here, let's start maybe with produce. We have produce like tomatoes. Then we have matoke. Then we have maybe onions. Depending on the level of creativity, you can add more. We have maybe, these are green peppers. We have maybe Irish potatoes. We say Irish potatoes. After getting that, you come to price. You can put any price of your choice. I say maybe it will be that UGX. Then this will be maybe, depending on time, you have to be very, very quick. I continue. Maybe this is at that. UGX, then this is maybe at that UGX, and then I can wrap up. I say this is at maybe this. Shall not penalize you for putting lesser values. And then here, let me take that. I say UGX. So now after, I can keep it uniform. I say let me use uppercase throughout to see that we don't have work that is really substandard. I'll come UGX, and then over here I'll also put UGX. Then under notes I can say maybe here what do we have in the support material to keep it really, really fast. Let's say under notes we can keep this to be fresh stock from Kayunga. Then here, what are we having? This may be premium quality. Come here, and then what else are we having here? This is well dried. Control C, come and paste. Control V to paste. Get back here, and then say sweet and juicy. Thank you. This is sweet and juicy. Come paste it over there. Get back. We are sealing it soon. Come, Control C. This is the notes section. Then come over here. Get back to your file, and then say sorted and bagged. So come over here and then paste. So now after putting this in shape, I can go on to bold the key headings, and then I can align them center. Yes, let me say bold, and then this I can also bold. So this, maybe let me align it left to keep it at that. So now after, I can go on to put some styles. Go to styles over here. You can even take stripes. Then under stripes, go to background, choose maybe gradient, and then say, let me take this, to see that at least our design is really heart catching. So come over here, continue. I want to add another block. This will be maybe this will be farmer stories, farmer success stories, farmer success stories. Over here, I will go on, highlight, come over here. I want to align it center, bold, and then I want to bold everything. Then after getting it, I want to make it medium, and then text color, let me take maybe red, depending on what you want to have in your design. Then after, I want to add another block of around 3 columns. Come to block, access columns, 3 by 3. You put some content here. I'm going to put the first paragraph. Come and check paragraph. Get back to our support document. We had some info. Maybe this is Mukasa John. Control C. Come here and then paste. Get back to this. Click add block, paragraph. Here we put another success story. Get back here. Highlight. Control C. Get back here. Control V. Get back to the last. Come here. Paragraph. Check back our support document. Come here. Control C. Highlight. And then Control V. Now after checking it at this, I can also go on to add a few designs to make sure that my section is really eye-catching. Get back to styles, background. I want to take maybe this color over there. I can also check this. Check in there. Come to style, background. I want to take something like maybe this. And then lastly, I will check this. I want to check this. Come back to style. Come and say background. I want to take something of this nature. Now, after putting that over there, let's end up with a simple cover. Get back here, click column. I want to take one column over there. And then in this, I want to put a paragraph. Check paragraph, and then get back to our support document. We want to say, those who need farming advice, what can they do? We can put this over here. And then after putting it there, I can go on. Let's go on and align it center. Come, align center, everything center, and then here align center. After, I can bold the key word and then make it around medium, give it font color around red for consistency. Then access this cover, this column, come to style, background, give it gradient to make it really eye-catching, and then to earn some marks from the item evaluator. After getting this in shape, come here, click the save button, then everything will be saved as you see up there. Now, get back to the farmers update page to see what are we having. Are we really taking things the way they are? Are we getting results? Is the site really eye-catching? If everything is in shape, then let's seal it down with a contact page. Then I'll get back here and then close this because we are done using it. Now we have one more page, which is the contact us page. Get back here, click in this, access the code editor, go to code editor. I want to start with a McQueen. Start with a McQueen so that at least we catch the examiner's attention at the start. Click over there, go to your support document, what will be my MACUI on the first page. Let me take the same statement which we used on this same page. Come over here. I want to Control C, use the same MACUI, put it there, and then close the MACUI, closer. Come over here, and then exit code editor, and then save changes as the MACUI will start rolling. Now after, get back here, I want to say contact us. I will say contact us for any inquiries. Contact us for any inquiries, for those who want to reach out. I will highlight, bold, come here, align center. Then after getting this in shape, font color, we said we are taking red, and then medium. Yes, we are keeping it at that for uniformity. Then we are going to insert a simple two. We are going to, let's put 2 columns. Come over here, add block. I need 2 columns. Over here, 2 columns, nice. In the first here, I'm going to put our location in for those who want to reach us. So I will click paragraph, get back to our support document, where we have some information that we had typed already. So I will come and say, for those that want to reach our stationery, they will come here. The location is Kayunga, Control C, get back here, Control V, put the information there. Then on this other window, I want to put a contact form. I say 1, feedback. I say this is our feedback form, and then we shall tell them that please, we value, let's say we value your feedback. Yes, and then we are telling them that please, please fill in the form below. Nice. So after putting this over here, I can even go up here, I bold this, I come align it center, and then I can give it the same color to keep the consistency. Now after putting that over there, I can come over here. I say now I want to add another block, and this block is maybe short code because I want to put the form over here. I say short code. Then come back to your dashboard, come back to contact, go to contact forms, access the contact form, then copy this short code, Control C, copy the code, get back to this page, and then Control V to paste it over there. After, I can also come back here, I save changes. Yes, I'm saving changes to see that we have a better outlook. Get back to your site, see how the contact us page looks like. I will come back here, see this is what we have so far. Yes, so I'll get back to my page. I can even go on to say, let me add an image here on this. I want to add an image on this column. I want to access it over here. Okay, it is rolling. Okay, here we go. So I want to insert an image below here. So I will come, I say, just at the bottom part here, I want to insert an image at the bottom part. I will click over here. I say on the block, I wanted to insert an image with simplicity. Okay, here we go. I will click onto this add block. I say I want to put an image. Yes, click onto it here. I say media library. I want to upload any catching image to balance the size, everything. Click over there, click select. Yes, at least I will come and say, maybe let me keep it as standard. Let me first save changes, and then refresh and first have a look at the design so that the changes you make don't affect the final output. Come over here, refresh and see what we are getting. Yes, at least we can keep it at that. Come back here. I want to access this form, give it some background. Let me take this. Let me take this pale blue, and then I see how the design will be. So I will get back, save changes. Save changes. Here we go. Yes, we are done saving. So I can, should I put some color here? Yes, let me put some background color. I say gradient. Let me take something like this. Will this be eye-catching? Better here. So now I'll go back again, save changes. I want to make sure that by the end, the candidate has designed something that is really max catching, and then we can get some good scores at the end. Come back here, refresh, and then we look at the final product to see whether we really have the better from the rest. This is our contact page. This is our information for those that want to reach out. So now we are done designing our 4 pages. We have the home page, we have the stock page, we have the other pages, as you've been able to see over here. So now, after putting it at this, I will go on and then download the pages. Go back to dashboard. Before we download, to have the site offline, come back here and say, under the Simply Static, click over here, then go to settings. When you access the settings button, come and say replacing URLs, so that you make this offline. Say offline usage. Come here, offline usage. After keeping it offline, come and save changes. Then after, refresh, come back to dashboard, refresh that the changes can be affected. Come to Simply Static again, then click generate. And then here we are on to the final stage where we are going to download our website. Come and say generate. Click this button, generate. Then the activity log will start running, and then we shall have the download link in a few seconds, waiting for new export. Okay, so now here we go. They are telling us that they are done extracting, and they are telling us that click here to download. So I'll just come, click this. Yes, and then our website is ready and everything is set. Simply Static is done. So I'll come here. I then access my downloads folder. Go to downloads here. Download is over here. We have a project called Simply Static. So I'll come, copy this, come back here, go to your project, which is my item 2 over here, your folder. Come say item 2, and then paste over there. So now after pasting, this is my project. Come, right click, and then say show more, say extract to Simply Static. Click onto this button so that we get another unzipped folder for the item evaluator to easily assess and access our work. Get in here, see whether we have our files. Yes, we have our index page. Then come here and rename this project folder. Come and say rename. I will give it a name and say this is maybe Amina Fresh Produce Store. Amina Fresh Produce Store. After getting it here, I will make sure that it is well named. Get here, and then when I access the index page by checking here, yes, here we go. We see that our pages are really there. I can easily access the stock gallery. It's over there. The farmers update, it's over there. Contact page is also over there. So we are done downloading, and then the candidate will be submitting this folder with the information in there for the item evaluators to mark. This has been your ICT tutor, ICT facilitator, rocking ICT annual workshop, a WordPress project, item 2. Thank you for loving me. Thank you for the good comments. May God bless you for me, keep you safe for me. The candidates, I wish you success. Stay blessed. Bye-bye.